How to print in Android to an HP printer using Wi-Fi Direct. Print from Android directly to an HP printer without a wireless network using Wi-Fi Direct and the HP Print Service plugin. Turn on your printer or press the Cancel button to wake it from sleep mode, and then get the Wi-Fi Direct name for your printer. For printers with a touch display, touch the Wi-Fi Direct icon or open the Wi-Fi Direct Settings menu. The Wi-Fi Direct name for your printer displays. For printers without a touch display, printing the Wi-Fi Direct information varies depending on your model. Most HP printers will print the report if you press the Information button, press and hold the Wi-Fi Direct button for 3 seconds, press the Wireless and Information buttons at the same time, or press and hold the Resume/Cancel or Resume button for 2 to 10 seconds. Review the printout for your Wi-Fi Direct name and password. If the printout indicates that Wi-Fi Direct is not turned on, follow the instructions to enable it. On your Android device, install or update the HP Print Service plugin from the Google Play Store. In Android 7 and above, the service turns on automatically. In Android 6 and below, open the notification dashboard and follow any prompts to enable the service. Open the document or photo you want to print. Tap the print icon or tap More Options and then tap Print. Depending on the app, you might have to tap the Share icon and then tap HP Print Service plugin. Expand the Printer menu and then tap the printer that has Direct and your printer model in the name. If your printer is not listed, tap All Printers to view a larger selection, or move your Android device closer to the printer and try again. If prompted by the HP Print Service plugin, select the checkbox to agree to the terms and then tap Start. Depending on how your Wi-Fi Direct is set up on your printer, you might need to confirm the connection on the printer control panel. Within 60 seconds, go to the printer and touch OK, or press the blinking Wi-Fi Direct or Info button. Adjust any print settings and then tap Print or the print icon to print your document or photo using Wi-Fi Direct.